Now, having understood the concept of additional depreciation, let us see what are the plant and machinery which are not entitled to this additional plant and additional depreciation. So the first one is cost of plant and machinery already allowed as a deduction, where the entire actual cost of plant and machinery is allowed as a deduction by way of depreciation or otherwise in computing income under the head profits and gains of business or profession in any one previous year. Now what can happen is, suppose you acquired a capital asset for your R&D business. There basically you are entitled to 100% depreciation subject to certain conditions. Now if suppose you acquired a business which was used for R&D purposes and you claimed 100% deduction on that under the head PGBP, then if you bring this asset to your normal business, it will not be allowed any additional depreciation. So you can't claim an additional depreciation on an asset where you are already claiming 100% deduction, say in the R&D business. The second one is ships and aircrafts. On ships and aircrafts, you don't get any additional depreciation. Third one is used plant and machinery. This is very important. Plant and machinery which was used by any other person. So, if suppose you had person A and person B. A suppose was using some kind of a plant and machinery for its business, and then he transferred this to B. So B got this plant and machinery and starting using it for the purpose of business. Now if B says that this is new plant and machinery, I have acquired it during this year and I should get depreciation on this, that is not tenable. Additional depreciation is not allowed on any plant and machinery which was used by any other person for the purpose of his business and profession. So you don't get any additional depreciation on such plant and machinery which was used by any other person before its installation by the assessee. Third, used in office and residential premises. Any plant and machinery installed in residential accommodation, including guest houses. So if suppose you have given any kind of a residential accommodation to your employees, or you are maintaining a guest house wherein your employees may come and stay while they are traveling for business, or any plant and machinery which is installed in your office premises, on those additional depreciation is not allowed. And the last one is office appliances. Any office appliances or road transport vehicles. Say you might have some cars which you are being used for the purpose of your business. These are not entitled to additional depreciation, but these are entitled to the normal depreciation under section 32 as may be applicable to each one of them. Which means that as may be applicable means at the rates which are prescribed for each one of them.